Hello, welcome again. We are solving some questions of theory of machine. The topic is gears and gear train. Question number 23 to 25 carries a common statement. The statement is a rack is driven by a pinion having 140 pitch circle diameter. The addendum of both pinion and rack is 6 mm. The number of teeth on the pinion is 24. The least pressure angle to avoid interference is option A 17, option B 20, option C 19, option D 14.5. Question number 24. If the addendum is decreased to 5 mm keeping the pressure angle and module same, the minimum number of teeth on pinion to avoid interference, option A 17, option B 18, option C 19 and option D 20. Question number 25. If the pressure angle is increased to 20 degree keeping the addendum 6 mm and minimum number of teeth on the pinion to avoid interference is option A 17, option B 18, option C 19, option D 20. So this is the case of rack and pinion arrangement, and in case of rack and pinion arrangement, so this is your rack, this is the addendum of the rack, okay, and this is the pitch line of the rack, this is the pitch line of pitch curve of pitch circle of pinion, this is the base circle of pinion, okay, and this is the addendum circle of pinion, okay. So that is the path of line of action or path of contact, and path of contact is up to here, but the maximum path of contact can be PC to avoid interference, and this is your and maximum, so the maximum addendum of the rack will be CD. So, okay, so now this is your R radius of pinion base pitch circle radius of pinion, and so as this is tangent to the base circle, so this angle will be 90, and so this will be your PC will be your R sin phi. Okay, PC will be your R sin phi, and the maximum value of CD is R sin phi or R sin square phi. So that is R sin square phi. Okay, so CD is your R sin square phi. This is your R sin phi. Okay. If addendum is equal to module, if addendum is equal to module, sorry, here, sorry, now we have determined that maximum value of addendum is R sin square phi. Now addendum is given as addendum of the both is given as 6 mm. Okay, so now addendum is given as 6 mm. So R sin square phi is equal to addendum. Okay, so R is the radius of pinion and phi is pressure angle. So addendum is 6 mm. So now R is your 70 mm. Okay, because diameter of pitch circle is 140 mm. So from this we can find phi. We can find out phi is your 17 degree. So answer is option A. So next question is, if the addendum is decreased to 5 mm, so now addendum is your 5 mm, keeping the pressure angle and module same, minimum number of teeth to avoid interference. If addendum is decreased to 5 mm, okay, keeping the pressure angle same, that is 17 degrees. So finding out R is your 58.49, M is your 140 by 40 because module is same, so that is here in the previous case the diameter was 140 mm and number of teeth was 24. So from this we can find out module is your 5.833. Okay, so now we have find out R pitch circle radius, and pitch circle radius is your 2R by T or D by T. Sorry, pitch circle radius is your 58.49, and module now in this case, as the module is same, so but in this case the module radius has been changed, so the module is given by nu D by nu T. So nu D is your 58.49 into 2, and nu T M is same, that is 5.833. So now T is your 20. So answer is 20. So here we have kept the pressure angle same and module same, and then find out R, and subsequently found out T is equal to 20. So answer is 20. So answer to question number 24 is D. Now if the pressure angle is increased to 20 degree, keeping the addendum 6 alone. Now pressure angle is increased to 20 degree. Okay. So and addendum is same. Okay. And so this will be pi over 20 and addendum is 6. Now we will find out mu r. So mu r is 51.29. Okay. And module is same as that of as in previous case. So module is 5.833. So now R is this, so T is 18. So answer is option B.